Hi, my name is Pablo, and this is the reflection after my interaction with Nor Ramirez Tello, which was previously a citizen that lived in Guadalajara, Veracruz, and Villahermosa. Well, to start off, in which ways are your perspectives similar and/or different? Well, first of all, the problem that I'm talking about is about climate change, and really people don't usually have like an extreme like completely opposite point of view of like the basic one that is to prevent climate change and take care of our environment so the world can last long. But in this case, this person and I talked about our our different point of views, and mostly were similar, but his point of view was with little details, like for example, saying that yes, it is important that we take care of the world, but at the same time, the major producers of contamination are fabrics and mostly things used on our daily life that are made up of plastic and some other stuff. And he stated that although it is important to take care of the environment, these industries that produce a lot of contamination also produce a lot of material that helps to the economy of the world. And although he has his case, we got to the conclusion that it needs to be like a middle point of that, since yes, the economy of the world it's important, but if there's no planet Earth, there is no economy. So yeah. Then question two: did your perspective on the topic expand, change, or become richer after interacting with others? As mentioned earlier, yeah, it expand. It did not change, but it expanded, since we got to a conclusion that it needs to be a middle point on the climate change problem. Um, which role does cultural play in having different perspective on the issue? Well, it helps analyze the problem in via different point of views of people, since maybe they learn some things another way that I did not learn that way, and by learning it in your own way, you create your own point of view of a problem, and yes, you are guided by your own point of view of that problem that you learn throughout your life. Then, based on the different perspectives you explored, why is it relevant to be empathic towards others' perspectives? Well, first of all, it is a sign of respect to be empathic towards others' perspectives, since you also have your own opinion, and you would like that your own opinion is respected and heard well. So if you want something, you need to give something, and in this case, if you want to be heard and treated with respect, you need to treat others with respect and hear them also. No, it doesn't matter if their point of view it's maybe crazy for you, but it is a sign of respect to have empathy towards them. Then, how does the analysis and understanding of multiple perspectives on a topic have an impact on a global level? Well, we can see a lot of examples of this, since, for example, is the war going on between Russia and Ukraine, and all of it is happening because of different perspectives on that. Russia believes that Ukraine is part of their territory and they need to claim it, and Ukraine, in their perspective, is a free country with its own government, and that's why it is like the clash between those two countries. And we can see it all throughout history, like for the Second World War, when the Nazi Germany and Hitler's perspective was that they were superior, they were superior than any other race on the world, and he believed that they needed to have all of the power of the world, although it was a crazy idea, and the rest of the world perception of it is what, like, Hitler, you are crazy, and we all are the same. We all are valued the same. We are very valuable to each other, and there is no such thing as a lower or inferior or superior race. Then, what were some challenges you faced for better understanding others' point of view? Well, maybe the challenging part was that not in my personal case right now, but in some other past cases, was that you maybe hear a point of view of a problem that it's completely opposite, and maybe for you completely, like, I don't know, like a crazy idea that doesn't have sense at all. But you need to keep calm and respect the idea, and then debate moderately with that person to get to a conclusion and get to the solution of the problem. And yeah, this is it. Thank you.